Alright, here we go. Been a while since I did a video on here. I've been mostly doing whatnot, but here we go. $1 Bloomborough pre-release kit. Was going to keep it sealed, but let's see what we get. See if we make our money back on the dollar. Alright, there's the dice. We made our money back on the $1. Dream Duo Enforcer promo. Alright, there's our packs. Pack number 1, guys. Oh yeah. Looks like we're there. Excellent. See if we keep going. See what we get. See if we can pull a 3-tree. I could always use another 3-tree city. Sunspire Lynx. That's a good one. An Elspeth. Too bad it's not a signed one. Still need a signed one for my collection. Alright. Alright, Fisher. Foil land. And a runaway together. Alright. I think our only good hit so far is either the Eluge or the Sunspire. I think Sunspire's still a couple bucks. I think Eluge is still a few bucks. Let's see if we can beat it. Valley Flood Collar. And a Jace. Again. That's cool. That's two different artworks that are planeswalkers and art cards. I don't think the other one was. Did we get one in the first pack? No. Well, let's see if we can get another planeswalker art card. That would be the new challenge. We've already met our budget of what we spent. Line Spiral, Salt, Fountain Port Bell, Overprotect should be called something crazy, man. There we go. Another Dream Duo. Oh, there we go. Foil Storm Splitter. I think that's a few dollars, I think. I think that's our current hit. And last pack. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Hey, Fabled Passage. And a Dragonhawk Tempest. That was a box, guys. Looks good to me. Thank you guys for watching. Anybody that watches this video and is interested in some Magic cards, I do whatnot streams under the same name, ZIYLOCK. You can find me on there, Zylock. And once you find me there, feel free to ask me about any of the cards that you see or if you're just looking for any specific ones for building a deck, have any questions, need help building a deck, need help adjusting your deck, whatever, by all means, send me a message. Hit me up on Discord. Same name, same place. And jump into the next Whatnot stream. Get your free givvies. You might even see some of these cards pop up, depending on how many I got of them. P.S. It's a lot. Thank you. You guys have a great day. Thank you for watching.